Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Apu Words. I came back to another trending topic, telemedicine. Without any delay, let's step into the topic. Telemedicine. Telemedicine, it allows us to concept a patient to a doctor and it allows us to erase time and distance, which is really the miracle of telemedicine. Okay then, what is telemedicine? Telemedicine is the use of electronic information to communicate technologies to provide and support healthcare when distance separates the participants. I think you understand that this indicates that in this generation, that means COVID times. Okay, let's deep into the telemedicine word. Tele is a Greek word meaning distance and medere is a Latin word meaning to heal. Time magazine called telemedicine healing by wire. Okay, role of ISRO satellites in telemedicine. Satellites have shortened the distance between locations, people, and services. They provided advanced means at reduced cost. Connectivity between patients and doctors at urban hospitals improved drastically after linking healthcare centers through satellites. ISRO satellites in telemedicine. While the term telemedicine is an age old, in the wake of the coronavirus outbreak, telehealth has become crucial to deliver services to the needy. Telemedicine is improving medical services during the disaster relief in remote areas and during a pandemic. Satellite communication is an affordable tool to improve telemedicine network that includes hospitals and institutions. Providing basic healthcare services across diverse geographical locations is nearly impossible without the help of technology. Am I right? Medical science is advancing day by day and it must reach every inaccessible area, particularly in disaster situations. That means nowadays. Satellite communication provides an excellent means to extend medical services to remote regions or in conditions where social distancing has to be maintained. Coming together of medical science, information technology and communication technology. The integration of technologies has always been beneficial. Satellites are crucial for maintaining proper communication and providing real-time data. The whole concept requires a set of customized hardware and software at both ends and some diagnostic equipment at the patient's end. ISRO telemedicine program makes use of digital data packets. The information provided by the patients is received by the doctors on a real-time basis using the satellite links as like as the telecasting of television like that. The specialist analyzes the information in these packets and suggest treatment accordingly. That means at spot. ISRO is going to provide annual maintenance support for telemedicine programs like satellites INSAT 3A, INSAT 3C and INSAT 4A. Satellites are operating the nodes out of which INSAT 3A is operating 139 nodes alone. Also, a telemedicine monitoring node has been established in DECU, Ahmedabad, for testing and basis troubleshooting. The success of telemedicine in scenarios like tsunami has encouraged scientists to move forward. ISRO has envisioned to develop a health sat. This concept aims to provide specialty teleconsultation to the vast population of India. It really helpful where the place which has lot of population, mainly in this kind of situation where social distance is mandatory. So in these times, telemedicine is the best way to consult doctors and to treat ourselves. State networks will be connected to district hospitals and district networks to PHS. It will also incorporate medical institutions network, specialty hospitals pool and telemedicine call centers. At present, we already see the benefits of telemedicine and the future will be much better with more advancements in this area. So up to now I have told about what is telemedicine, usage of telemedicine, role of ISRO satellites in telemedicine, right? And finishing touch, one small statement: during and after COVID-19, telemedicine will play a crucial role in the management of disease and improving health outcomes over the long term. So, this is what I want to tell you, and I want to know the people about this telemedicine. Thanks to everyone who are watching my channel and regularly following my videos. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to like, share and to subscribe my channel Appu Words for more interesting videos and latest updates, mainly educational services. Thank you. Thank you all.